Beautiful day for exercising, especially in such a place. Parcul Circului, the circus park in Bucharest, Romania. I'm running close to the lake that is in the middle of the park because in here this is the richest air in negative ions, which is the most beneficial for us humans. So if you have the possibility to exercise or run into a park with a lake, go as close as possible to the lake while exercising or running. Take your health into your own hands and make the choices that will keep you healthy, strong, and happy.